If you have a Samsung account that has been inactive for 24 months, then you should know that Samsung is about to delete your account. So any data that you have uploaded to the cloud for that account and anything else that is associated with it on Samsung's servers will be erased on July 31st, 2025. Thankfully, you just need to log into your account in order to save it and your data. So definitely go and do this right now before you end up forgetting about it. There's a lot of data associated to each and every account that's registered to Samsung's servers. And we're seeing a number of companies looking to slash costs as much as possible. So it makes sense that the South Korean conglomerate does not like the idea of paying to store the data and maintain its database entries for accounts that are no longer active. The company seems to have settled on the 24-month mark as to what constitutes an account being active or not. So if you have a Samsung account, whether it's your primary account or a secondary one, and you have not logged into it in a while, then you'll want to do so before the end of next month. If not, Samsung will delete your account, all of the data that's tied to it, and they have come out to say that accounts deleted in this way are not able to be recovered. So once that data is gone, there's no way to get it back. We don't have a long Android news bite here today, but it does look to be important enough that everyone who uses or has used a Samsung account in the past should be made aware of. This new policy goes into effect on July 31st, 2025. So this is something that will continue to be enforced as time goes by. So be sure to log into your Samsung account at least once every 2 years so you are not losing something that's important. Or at the very least, log in so that you can download whatever data is tied to your account. That way, you won't be worried about whether or not Samsung deletes that data. Now, I hope you all have a fun and safe weekend ahead. But before you go, I would appreciate it if you would give this video a like, as it really helps to keep me motivated here, and subscribe to the channel as well for more Android news content like this.